In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create or add a task in ClickUp. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. For you to be able to create a task, you need to go ahead and open one of the spaces on your ClickUp account. And for my case, I have here 2 spaces. So I like to go ahead and add a task under the first one. So I'll click on it. Now under it, you'll be able to see quite a number of projects that you have under this space. Go ahead and choose the project under which you want to add that task. So for my case, I want to add a task under the second project. And now you can see we have here quite a number of tasks, and I'd like to go ahead and add one. And among the tasks here, you can see we have one that is in progress and we have other 2 here. But I'd like to go ahead and add a new task. To do that, go ahead and tap on add task here on this plus, and automatically you'll have a field to enter the name of the task. So that's the name of my task. If you wish to pin it, you can pin it. If you want to set a due date, you can also set it. But the best thing to do is first to go and save it, and then you can make any changes on it later. So once you have created your task, now you should be able to see it here under your project. Now to add information on this task, go ahead and just tap on it, and this will go ahead and give you quite a number of options for you to add. You can now go ahead and even schedule the task using this schedule option. If you click on this start, you can enter here the starting date and the time as you wish, and also you can choose the due date and also the end time of this task. And look at that. Once you are done, now you can click outside and you can see the schedule has been added to this task. You can also go ahead and add tags, time estimates, and also priority as you wish. There is also other custom fields that you can add from this task page. So that's how you can create a task in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.